This is the Switchbot Lock Pro, and here's 7 smart ways that you can control it. The Lock Pro is Switchbot's new retrofit lock. It only replaces the inside portion of your deadbolt, so this is a good option if you're a renter or want to keep the outside half of your lock and existing key. Installation is very easy, and this is a solid piece of equipment, although it is a bit thick. After setup, you get your first option, the Switchbot app. However, if you pair the Lock Pro to a Hub 2 or a Hub Mini Matter enabled, you can add it to Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home, SmartThings, or any other Matter controller. Using any of these integrations brings us to our third control option, voice assistance.
Hey Siri, lock the garage entry lock.
Locking the living room.
Locking. Hang on. The Lock Pro is locked.
You can also use these smart home ecosystems to automate your lock, such as locking automatically when you leave home. Adding a Switchbot keypad touch gives you 3 more options. The first is a PIN code. You can set up permanent, one-time use, or temporary PIN codes in the Switchbot app. Or you and your extended family can use your fingerprint because the keypad touch supports up to 100 of them. Your last option is an NFC card. This would be great for putting in a wallet and just tapping the keypad to unlock. Let me know in the comments which control method you would use most often for your Switchbot Lock Pro.